this is really general, not even calling out specific alloys. But we've rolled nickels, aluminums, coppers, titaniums, and stainlesses. And you can see this is in microns, not in inches, but we commonly see inquiries in the 10 micron range, sometimes a little bit thinner. But our ability to roll even thinner than that is that, we can roll 5 times thinner than that, down to 2 microns, for example. Some of the softer alloys like aluminum and copper can present some problems where they get so brittle that maybe on your manufacturing side, the material is hard to deal with, or at some point, when we're rolling, it becomes too thin and will tear. Harder alloys like stainless steels or titaniums seem to hold up a little bit better to rolling a lot thinner, which is why you can see here on the side, we have them as emerging technologies. More people are asking us about our ability to roll titanium and stainless really thin because it was previously thought that no metal could be rolled thin enough to roll an aluminum or something soft like copper. But if we can roll something thin like titanium and stainless, maybe companies like yours can utilize that.